You don't want this? Ventus.
He's like, that one doesn't squeak.
Yeah, but look. Look at this.
No, come on, get a tickle. Yeah. Come on, Schlippy butt.
Hey. Hey.
No.
Okay, time for tickle. Time for tickling.
Okay, stop.
Time for tickling.
It's gone.
Oh my god. It's gonna get so juicy. He's like, you're just gonna move it again.
Aww.
You got tickle me. Okay, turn it on.
Yeah?
I want to see what he looks like being tickled.
You got tickle me.